I've been a client of Petaholics for about 6 months. I have a precious little Chihuahua. His name is Pico. I went through a very careful process of selecting a dog walking service, and I made several phone calls to several companies that provide the service, and Petaholics was the one that I selected. From the very beginning, there was a demonstration to me of thought given to who they would match with my dog in terms of the dog walking, and that really spoke volumes. That was not the experience that I had in talking with other dog walking services. The owner of the company is a dog trainer. I've taken full advantage of his expertise when I've had questions about Pico. Pico's dog walker comes in on a daily basis while I'm at work and takes him for a walk around the neighborhood, and from the daily reports that I get, I know exactly what kind of day he had and how he sort of orchestrated the kind of walk that he was in the mood for. I know from my experiences with Petaholics that they care about my dog Pico as much as I do.